Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into y'all energy to see what the heck y'all got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate y'all. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hopefully you guys had a wonderful, wonderful day thus far. What's happening now? What y'all got going on? It's a beautiful day. It's about to start getting warm. We have colors here. Okay. Colors. It's definitely significant here. I am definitely seeing the LGBTQIA flag is the tie. Someone is hiding their true sexual identity. This card also speaks of someone showing their true colors. So either somebody is hiding their true sexual identity, or someone is showing their true colors, showing you exactly who they are, and for you not to see it any other way but the way that they are revealing or showing it to you. Is what I'm seeing here. Let's go and get into it. Clarify this true colors. I said clarify this true colors. So somebody could very much be showing their true colors. Let's say clarify colors. What's happening with colors? Colors. One more colors. All right. At the bottom of the deck, I am seeing codependency. So it seems like whoever this person is have codependency issues, or maybe codependent on you in some form of fashion. I'm definitely seeing an energy with this puppy love crush. It seems like there is like some sort of immaturity, especially in regards to the love connection that you guys have. Yeah, because I'm seeing games are being played, or there is some sort of cycle here presently. All right, I am definitely seeing that there's a masculine energy here as well. So I can be speaking in regards to a masculine, about a masculine, or I could be speaking to a masculine energy. Place whatever way it needs to be placed. Okay. What's going on with this puppy love crush? Puppy love crush. Okay, clarifying this puppy love crush is almost like an energy of someone caused some sort of illusion, or there was some sort of illusion, or some sort of secret, especially when it comes to this crush. So it's almost like energy of like, I have a crush on you, I like you, but that's what I'm saying here, because there's definitely something hidden here, a dark secret, a dark shadow, and that can actually have something to do with someone's sexuality. Let's go ahead and clarify this playing games and game playing and cycles. All right. Clarifying this game plan and cycles, I'm definitely seeing divine intervention is definitely at play at this present time. It seemed like some inevitable fated events are destined to happen. It's almost like an energy of the Most High gave someone room and space and choice and opportunity to do it their way. And I guess someone must have decided not to, and now divine intervention steps in, and things going to be done a different way. And I'm definitely seeing fated events happening. Okay, let's go ahead and clarify this. Him, what's going on with him? Clarifying him, I'm definitely seeing an energy of clarity and third eye chakra, being able to see things that are hidden. This is almost like an energy of someone being aware of the unknown, being able to see the unknown. I'm also seeing energy you guys receiving assistance by your spirit guides. Okay, let's go ahead and get in the tarot. What's happening? Clarify these colors. What happened with colors? This whole deck is in reverse. Okay, I'm gonna take the first one because the first one came out. I'm definitely seeing the first thing that came out. I seen the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So I'm seeing some sort of insecurity, possibly someone having some sort of instability or something like that. Okay. There's also like an energy of, again, someone being feeling insecure. Neglect. I'm seeing energy of someone neglecting an energy that An energy that neglect their responsibilities. Someone may even have children or be childish. I'm also seeing an energy of nostalgic energy here. Okay. I'm seeing some sort of nostalgic energy here, but I'm seeing someone being very creative. I don't know if someone could possibly be manifesting something. Okay. I'm seeing someone having a strong willpower or directing some sort of will. Yeah, someone is manifesting their desires. They are colors. This is also like an energy of someone possibly being like a smooth talker, a smooth charmer, type of energy as well. What's happening? Colors. Mm. I'm seeing things moving hasty, things moving quickly. That's what I'm seeing here. Moving quickly, rushing, wanting to rush, which is clarifying this Queen of Pentacles in reverse. It's almost like the energy of someone wanting to rush. It could be masculine or feminine energy. But I am definitely seeing some sort of new financial beginning here. There's an energy of prosperity. I don't know if someone is giving prosperity or if there is some sort of opportunity. There is some sort of new beginning. I am definitely seeing an energy of money here where someone is there is energy of someone directing their desires, directing their will. And I'm seeing it coming into fruition. Something that someone has been manifesting is coming into fruition. I'm seeing an energy of things paying off and someone moving on. I'm seeing an energy of someone abandoning something, some sort of plans, letting someone or something go, possibly reach some sort of limit and something come to an end. I'm seeing a spiritual transformation. Okay. There's definitely some I'm also showing that there is a transformation financially as well, because clarifying that it's the Pentacles, I see the Death card. I'm seeing an ending, a change. And it seems like things happen suddenly. I see an energy of you guys being happy with the Sun card out here. This is like a positive change. There's an energy of freedom. There's energy of fun. I'm seeing an energy of happiness, okay? Anything else in regards to colors? Okay. So I'm definitely seeing that there is an Emperor energy out here, okay? Now with this Emperor energy, this is like someone that is could possibly be older, some sort of mature masculine energy or something like that, some sort of father or something like that. Or it could be a husband. I am definitely seeing an energy of someone giving. There's an energy of giving or being generous or assisting in some form of fashion. I'm seeing someone having some sort of plans for the future. I'm seeing someone having foresight. I'm seeing an energy of forward moving, forward planning. All right. Now, even though the clarifying this emperor, even though they were like giving gifts or assisting or supporting in some form of fashion, clarifying this, this emperor energy, I'm showing like there is an energy of someone hiding some sort of secret or causing some sort of illusion with this moon card. It seems like there is definitely some sort of deception here. And it's like we have the emperor and the empress energy out here. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely saying there is definitely some sort of deception, some sort of illusion, some sort of secret or something, and a partnership, a connection, and some sort of dynamic with the Two of Cups. With couple. Mm. All right. Now, this could also, like I stated before, someone is showing their true colors. Maybe whoever this person is was hiding who they really are, and maybe someone now could really be showing you exactly for who they are, or this could simply talk about you being in a connection with someone they possibly was hiding their true sexual identity. Okay, but I'm definitely seeing the energy of someone carrying a whole lot of burdens and have a whole lot of burdens. I'm seeing like there is an energy of stress. All right, clarifying this moon is the tower. I'm seeing some sort of unfated events, some sort of thing, something happening unexpectedly. This also speaks of some sort of revelation, possibly something coming to the light. It could possibly be as some sort of event or something. I don't know. It's like, because I'm definitely seeing that there is some sort of surprise here with the Four Wands, but it looked like there is some sort of event, some sort of party, some sort of gathering. I don't know. I'm seeing that there is a water sign here as well. A Cancer could be significant. All right. And I'm seeing the King of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, I'm seeing someone being indecisive, okay, or having to feel like they have to make some sort of choice. There is some sort of choice, okay. There is some sort of decision that needs to be made in regards to, some sort of happiness regarding the future, is what I'm seeing here. Because I am seeing there's an energy of collaboration, working towards some sort of goals, or possibly there was some sort of energy of dedication being dedicated but to someone. Yeah. And I'm seeing a king. Okay, not only am I seeing the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles, I'm seeing the Queen of Cups and the King of Cups is out here as well. I'm definitely seeing like there is some sort of partnership out here. Remember, what's going on with colors? And I see someone like having to stand their ground, or but they're placing some sort of boundaries. There's some sort of boundaries being placed here. Or something, yeah, that's what it seems like. There is definitely some sort of boundaries. I feel like somebody may have possibly had choices or options, like I said before. There might have been some sort of option, some sort of choices or something like that. Because clarifying this Two of Swords, I'm seeing this King of Cups having to make a decision. This Pisces, all right? And I'm seeing this Queen of Cups. Clarifying the Queen of Cups, I'm seeing it as coming out as a star energy. Someone that's very creative. There's energy of contentment here with this Queen of Cups, and I'm seeing someone standing their ground. There's energy of boundaries being set, or someone possibly being blocked or something like that. Somebody getting blocked. All right. It's like an energy of someone taking their power back, having inner strength, being brave, and overcoming some sort of situation regarding someone in a Knight of Wands. Clarifying this Queen of King of Pentacles. Oh goodness. Clarifying this King of Cups is this Knight of Wands. Yeah, Knight of Wands. Oh, it's like they don't even want me to get it out. I'm jumping all over my words and things like that. I feel like whoever this person is might. I'm seeing energy of sexual adventures, talking to different people, men and women. And one of the women, as you notice that I read, is a Queen of Pentacles in reverse. An insecure, and someone has some sort of instability, lazy, suspicious, have lack of motivation. They would neglect their responsibilities. They're not even in alignment. I feel like this person, again, is coming out with this Knight of Wands is with this Ten of Cups. I don't know if someone been married to this person, have a family with this person, you know, been in a long-term connection, been with this person for a while even. But I'm seeing someone going through some sort of soul searching. There's an energy of some sort of spiritual enlightenment. Okay. Someone taking a step back and looking at the situation and what they've been dealing with. Okay. Anything else? Colors? Mm. Because that's definitely an energy of self-reflection. Remember I said divine intervention is at play, so they're going, the Most High and your spirit guides are taking this a different route. So while you're over here going through the spiritual enlightenment and self-reflection, I'm seeing you guys they're making you busy, and there's an energy of you guys being focused on something else. And whatever you've been focusing on, it seems like there's an energy of you gaining some sort of independence, or having some sort of independence or something like that. It's like, I don't know, I'm seeing some sort of independent wealth. There's an energy of prosperity here, or you're being rewarded. All right. Anything else? Yeah, because I see the Six of Wands where there is success here. There is an energy of you having the advantage, and the wheel turning in your favor, and something coming to an end with the number 10 here with the Wheel of Fortune. Something coming to an end. Yeah, to something that is in balance. I'm seeing there may have been excessive clashing. Somebody only wanted you to see things their way. This person is very an antagonist, very reckless, and I see you being moved to calmer waters. Okay, there's energy of you guys moving forward, or spirit is moving you forward. Yeah, Ace of Swords came out. I'm seeing new plans, new beginning, leaving someone out in the cold, leaving them behind. I see the energy of someone watching and being curious, and discontent, because they are now experiencing some sort of stagnation. all of the it's almost like an energy of this person is being very impulsive. I'm seeing this is a negative pattern. They do this. This is energy that's very detached. It's what I'm seeing here. It's like this person wants you to be stuck. It's like someone want you to be restricted. It seems like this person want to have control, but this person is getting going through a reality check. They're about to gain some sort of clarity, especially in regards to who's in charge, and they're trying to rush in on in this toxic energy coming out as the devil. There's definitely an energy of bondage here. I'm definitely seeing them rushing in towards someone. I'm seeing this as an energy of someone trying to be assertive, being very impulsive, or having this rash behavior. Very strong, assertive, and decisive person. Not trying to take no for an answer. They're coming in this devil energy. I'm seeing that's the end. That's what I'm seeing here.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.